In the name of Allah, the most merciful and beneficial. My name is Muhammad Awais. You can watch the Baikur Foundation TV. Today, my topic is the Dr. Afia Siddiqui. He was a woman in Pakistan and was more intelligent and high IQ levels, and her research was so impressive and powerful. No any American scientist can do that like of the research. Dr. Afia Siddiqui can do the different important works he was on the top wanted list in all over the world. He was more intelligent woman. The previous 300 years are the 3 centuries. No anybody's like her intelligent IQ levels. Nobody can compete with the IQ level and intelligence. Her date of birth was the 2 March in 1972 in Karachi. The Dr. Afia Siddiqui was a neuroscientist and he get education from the foreign country America such as American Research University of MIT. In 1990, he get a student visa and go to the States of America, Texas. He was no interest in anything but have no interest in any activities like gaming, newspapers, news and some other kind of activity that I cannot mention here and cannot nominate here. He can only readings and follow Islam and act upon on Islam. By his research, he can get By his research in America, he can reward $5,000 as a reward. After the returning back from America to Pakistan in 1995, he can marry to the Amjad Muhammad Khan. Amjad Muhammad Khan can have relations with the Central Intelligence Agency of America, CIA. And then after marriage, they have the 3 child born and their name are following and nominate here. Muhammad Ahmed. He was born in 1996 and his girls Maryam and then Suleiman was born in 2002. He was a neurosurgeon and biochemistry. He can work on biochemistry. His research was very important and very powerful. As that her research, no any scientist of America can make that kind of research. Her research was helpful to making the biological weapons. America want to get our research. After getting our research, they want to murder Dr. Afia Siddiqui. And then they want to control and overcome all over the world. In 2002, he was divorced from the Amjad Muhammad Khan. He can be blamed. This person, Amjad Muhammad Khan, can blame herself. After divorce, he said that he have the relation with Al-Qaeda. The FBI, the Federal Board of Investigations agencies in America, as like ISI in Pakistan. The FBI agencies can give an offer to the Dr. Afia Siddiqui. The Dr. Afia Siddiqui can work with us. The Dr. Afia Siddiqui can reject its offers and cannot be worked in FBI. The Pervez Musharraf, he was kidnapping in 2003 in Karachi when he was go to the railway stations for traveling. The unknown persons come there and can be kidnapped herself and they murders their 2 childs. The Pervez Musharraf can do a lot of things in Pakistan, but he makes the Pakistan as atomic powers and cannot be inform any information about atomic power to America. But the great actions was required for that Pervez Musharraf to use the research of Dr. Afia Siddiqui and make Pakistan more stronger and stronger. At the back ends of her, after kidnapping herself, they can go and send herself to the Pigwam jail that was available in world America. The Americans wanted to get the research from herself, and after getting the research from Dr. Afia Siddiqui, they murdered herself. They torture ourselves a lot of times. They torture ourselves every day. The other prisoners in the Pigwam jails, they wanted to say, and they said that the prisoners was crying every night in any cells of these jails, and this sound was of her crying. They making us the mentally sickness and the mentally disturb us, and they do the point of electricity to herself for the washings and the damaging our brains, that she forgotten her research, and they can do a sexual harassment with herself. That is not a good thing. That is unethical with the prisoners. She was not a prisoner, but without any blames and without any mistakes, without any omissions, they can punish herself at the 86. They can be remained in the jail as prisoners. The presidents and prime ministers are the political parties of Pakistan, such as Nawaz Sharif, Zardari, and the media that can be spreading all over the news in world of Pakistan. They can polish their politics. They can revenue generate from our fake news. They can be spreading a fake news in Pakistan, not a true news. And here, I am thankful to the Prime Minister of Pakistan, Imran Khan. He can do an actions against America for the freedoms of Dr. Zafir Siddiqui from America to Pakistan. He was a leader who can take actions and return back from America to Pakistan. Another leaders of Turkey, Tayyip Recep Erdogan, they wanted to do actions for the freedom of the